Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Revi Damayanti from Accounting Class 23A with study number 2341207. Today, I will present a topic about the basic characteristic of environmental accounting. And environmental accounting has become an important topic in modern business because companies today are expected not only to focus on profit but also on environmental responsibility. Business use natural research in their operation, and sometimes their activities create pollution or environmental damage. Because of this, companies need a system that helps them understand, measure, and manage the environmental impact of their activities. Environmental accounting helps companies record environmental costs and evaluate how their operation affect the environment. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of environmental accounting, its main characteristic, its purpose, benefit, challenge, and some example of how companies apply it in real business situations. So, environmental accounting is a process used by companies to identify, measure, record, and report environmental costs and environmental impact related to their activities. In simple terms, it helps companies understand how their operation affect the environment and how much money they spend on environmental protection. Traditional accounting usually focus on financial transaction and profit, but environmental accounting goes further by including environmental information. For example, companies may record costs related to waste treatment, pollution prevention, energy usage, and environmental restoration. By collecting this information, companies can understand their environmental performance and improve their environmental management. Environmental accounting also help companies become more transparent and responsible to stakeholders such as inventor, government, and the public. The main purpose of environmental accounting is to help companies identify and manage environmental costs and more effectively. In many organizations, environmental costs are often hidden inside general operation costs, which make them difficult to monitor. Environmental accounting helps companies separate and identify those costs clearly. This allows managers to make better decisions about environmental management and resource efficiency. Another purpose is to improve transparency by providing environmental information to stakeholders. Government, investor, and society are increasingly concerned about environmental issues, so companies are expected to report their environmental performance. Environmental accounting also supports sustainable business practice because it encourages companies to reduce waste, save energy, and use research more efficiently. The basic nature of environmental accounting explains how this type of accounting is different from traditional accounting system. Traditional accounting mainly focus on financial profit and financial performance, while environmental accounting including environmental impact as part of business evaluation. This means companies must consider not only how much money they are earned but also how their activities affect natural resources and ecosystem. Environmental accounting therefore combines financial data with environmental data. It provides information about environmental costs, environmental investment, and environmental responsibilities. By understanding this aspect, companies can make more balanced decisions that consider both economic benefit and environmental protection. Next, environmental accounting has several important characteristics that make it different from other accounting systems. One important characteristic is that it focuses on identifying environmental costs related to business operation. Another characteristic is that it supports management decision-making by providing useful information about environmental expense and impact. Environmental accounting also integrates economic and environmental aspects, meaning that environmental issues are considered as part of business strategy. In addition, environmental accounting encourages companies to improve their environmental performance and reduce environmental damage. Through this approach, companies can operate more responsibly while maintaining financial performance. Next, environmental accounting focuses on activities related to environmental protection and resource management. One of the main focus is waste management, where companies monitor and record costs related to treating or reducing waste produced during production. Another focus is pollution prevention, which includes action taken by companies to reduce emission, pollution, or harmful material. Environmental accounting also focuses on improving the efficiency of natural resources, such as water, energy, and raw material. By monitoring this aspect, companies can reduce unnecessary costs and environmental impact. In addition, environmental accounting helps companies evaluate environmental risks and develop strategies to minimize those risks. Next, environmental accounting is strongly connected to the concept of sustainable development. Sustainable development means meeting the needs of the present generation without harming the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Through environmental accounting, companies can measure the environmental impact of their operation and take steps to reduce negative effects. This approach encourages companies to balance economic growth with environmental protection and social responsibility. By applying environmental accounting, companies can contribute to long-term sustainability while still achieving business success. This balance is important for creating a healthier environment and a more responsible global economy. Next, environmental accounting produces several types of information that are useful for companies and stakeholders. One type of information is the cost of waste treatment, which includes expenses related to processing waste before it is released into the environment. Another type is pollution prevention costs, such as investment in cleaner technologies or safer production process. Environmental accounting also includes environmental restoration costs, which are expenses related to repairing environmental damage caused by business activities. In addition, companies record information about energy consumption, water use, and another natural resource. This information helps companies monitor their environmental performance and improve research efficiency. Next, environmental accounting provides many benefits for companies. One major benefit is to help companies control environmental costs more effectively. By identifying environmental expense clearly, companies can find ways to reduce unnecessary costs and improve efficiency. Another benefit is improving the company's reputation and public image because society increasingly value environmentally responsible companies. Environmental accounting also helps companies comply with environmental regulation and avoid legal penalties. In addition, companies that apply environmental accounting may gain greater trust from investors and stakeholders. Overall, environmental accounting helps companies operate in a more responsible and sustainable way. Next, even though environmental accounting offers many advantages, companies may face several challenges when implementing it. One of the main challenges is measuring environmental impact in financial terms because not all environmental effects can easily be converted into monetary value. Another challenge is the lack of proper system on or values tools to record environmental costs accurately. Some companies may also lack trained staff who understand environmental accounting practices. In addition, implementing environmental accounting may require additional research and commitment from management. Because of this challenge, companies need proper training, technology, and management support to successfully apply environmental accounting system. So, in conclusion, environmental accounting is an important tool that help companies understand and manage the environmental impact of their business activities. Unlike traditional accounting, environmental accounting considers both financial performance and environmental responsibility. By identifying environmental costs and monitoring environmental performance, companies can improve efficiency, reduce pollution, and support sustainable development. Environmental accounting also helps companies build trust with stakeholders and improve their reputation in society. Therefore, environmental accounting plays an important role in modern business and help companies balance economic success with environmental protection. So maybe that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.